1, 2. See? Do this often enough and you don't need a lab assignment sheet. Okay, so the first thing to point out is the fins, and be aware that from now on you have to address it with its full name: anterior spinous dorsal fin, posterior soft dorsal fin. All 4 words. Any one word missing, partial credit. I know. Words all. This one right here is the anterior spinous dorsal fin, made of actinotrichia. It's hard. Over here, the posterior soft dorsal fin, lepidotrichia, soft. Caudal fin, it's equal, homocircle, as opposed to a shark, heterocecal. Anal fin, pelvic girdle, pectoral. Okay, so for this one I'm going to let you guys do it.
The lateral line.
If I point it on the scales, it's the lateral line. If I were to have it exposed with the musculature, like in this fish, it'll be the lateral line.
Wait, lateral line.
If it's on the scales, it's the lateral line. Over here, yeah. This part here? Okay. There's a membrane, a shiny membrane. So if I pierce a pin through it and ask you what's the first structure I pierce with the pin? This gland? Got it? So
yeah, skill record.
I thought you guys wouldn't know that one.
That's a testy.
Alright, so be aware how to differentiate them. As I said, soft, smooth, granular, eggy. Okay? This just looks like tofu.
Can we put that on
eggs and tofu?
liver?
The liver is usually very large and multi-lobed, like, you know, there's like projections there. So if you guys see a large liver, don't let it fool you, okay? That's the liver. It usually covers the stomach. Okay? And then
Pyloric sphincter.
that's the pyloric sphincter, the structure. If I ask you to name this portion of the stomach,
The pyloric portion.
and then from there, follow your intestines. So you go in. This one will be one to follow. Okay, this one's better. So pyloric right here, right? And then you follow your intestines. Goes here, and then it loops back up here. What is this part? This C-shaped part. Duodenum. And in between the duodenums, the two duodenum, you'll find your pancreas, this orange structure right here. Yes, it's embedded in the mesentery. So let's look for your gallbladder, alright? And then, oh yeah, before I forget, this sharp finger-like projections, pyloric cecum. Okay? And then let's look for your gallbladder. So for the gallbladder, the trick is to move your entrails to one side, and you'll find a deflated balloon-like structure. Do you see it? See? That's your gallbladder. Okay? Let's try to locate it in this fish. So move all to one side. This one's really obvious. Right here. Okay? Okay, the last two things you need to know. Not the last two actually. You need to know the ureter. That's just a tube going from the kidneys to the outer opening. And the last one you need to know is the urinary bladder, right here. That's just like the gallbladder, but instead of secreting the stomach, it secretes out into the open. So be aware of the differences between the urinary bladder and the swim bladder. Know the difference in function for each. And the last one, before I forget, spleen. Okay? That's about it. I think we're all fish experts.
What was the projection that came off of the stomach that you said came off?
That is the pyloric cecum. And you can... There.
No, that's right here.
Oh, that's the cardiac portion of the stomach. It's a blind sac.
Oh, okay.
So that's the stomach.